at numero uno naman talaga ang mix dito sa USTV Awards.
Congratulations to everyone who won tonight. I'm very, very happy that we're one of them. So maraming salamat sa bumubuo ng buong UST TV Awards. And syempre maraming salamat sa lahat ng faculty, ng staff, at nag-organize nito ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, and thank you guys for watching Mix and choosing Mix.
That's right. Naku, sobrang exciting talaga nito. We're all gonna have a good night's sleep. But once
Yes,
again,
we
ako
are.
personally, thank you talaga sa mga buo ng UST. Siyempre from Janine and myself and all of the other VJs, talagang isa itong malaking honor. Maraming salamat. We will continue to give you your choice and your music.
That's right. And you can also get today's top 10 list. All you have to do is text in Mix Space Daily and send that to 2366. Or you can vote for your favorite music videos, Mix Space vote space title of the video and send that to 2366.
Of course, if you guys want to get in touch with us, all you have to do is type in Mix Space VJ Nikki or VJ Janine, space your message and name, and send that to 2366. Don't forget to log on to our website, www.mixspace.com. Add us on Facebook, Mix.Philippines, and follow us on Twitter, Mix Philippines. And of course, nako, very important tong announcement na to, Sir A, kasi malapit ang Mix Music Awards.
Yeah.
So, you guys have to support your favorites in the Mix Music Awards via text and online voting.
That is right. And do not forget tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. Mix News, 7 p.m. MIT 20, 9 p.m. Pinoy Mix Countdown.
That's right, and that is it for the Daily Top 10.
Oh, wait.
I have to just thank everyone who liked Mix on Facebook.
Yes, the million.
More than a million. So we are very pleased na talagang pinakita niyo yung show of force nyo, and we encourage all of our viewers out there na please be online. You can follow me on Twitter.
Ta-da!
Yes, come on,
Follow the Godfather.
So I can't say na I have as many followers as you guys, but yeah, you know, I'm surprised that there are followers. So again, maraming salamat sa lahat ng aming mga viewers on Mix. We all love you.
Abangan ang text line ni Sir Andre.
Abangan natin.
Baka naman meron din yan. You never know, di ba? But guys, I hope you enjoyed the show today, the Mix City Top 10 Friday edition.
This has been VJ Nikki
DJ Janine
with Sir Andre.
Sir Andre.
See you guys next time.
Babushi
And dance.
Bam.
And dance. We have to dance.
Babushi
And dance.
Bam.
And
Babushi
dance.
Bam.